If you're forming a New Mexico LLC from outside the US and doing it yourself, you're wasting 6 weeks minimum, and here's how Bastion Formations does it in 3 days. Here's the problem. Non-US founders pick New Mexico for anonymity, then hit 3 walls. New Mexico allows anonymous LLCs with 0 member names published, saving you from public exposure in 48 hours. Get your EIN same day from the IRS even without a US Social Security number using Form SS-4 Line 7B. New Mexico is the only state with true LLC anonymity in 2026. No annual reports, no member registry, no ownership disclosure. A UK founder opens a New Mexico LLC to hold US real estate. Within 72 hours, she realizes she can't open a business bank account because she has no registered agent address and no apostille documents. Here's exactly what to do next. This is exactly why we built Bastion Formations, to handle the registered agent, EIN, and bank introductions for non-US founders forming New Mexico LLCs. Most people fail here. They file the articles of organization themselves through the New Mexico Secretary of State website, then discover banks won't accept foreign addresses as the principal office. You need a physical New Mexico street address for mail and legal service. Without it, your LLC exists on paper but can't sign contracts or open accounts. DIY filers waste 4 to 6 weeks finding a registered agent after formation. With Bastion Formations, we bundle the registered agent into your New Mexico LLC package from day 1. Step 1 is the registered agent. New Mexico law requires every LLC to have a physical street address in New Mexico for service of process. Bastion Formations provides this for $99 per year. We receive your legal mail, scan it within 24 hours, and upload it to your secure dashboard. You never miss a state notice or lawsuit summons. Formation plus registered agent takes 1 to 3 business days through our process. Step 2 is your EIN. This is important. The IRS issues employer identification numbers to foreign nationals, but you must use Form SS-4 and mail or fax it. Do not use the online EIN assistant. It rejects non-US addresses. On line 7B, write your foreign passport number and country of issuance. Bastion Formations handles this for you. We submit your SS-4 by fax and get your EIN back within 1 to 2 business days. Total package is $249. Formation plus EIN plus registered agent in one bundle. Here's the problem. Path A is filing yourself through the New Mexico SOS website for $50. Then spending 6 weeks hunting for a registered agent who accepts non-US clients, then mailing Form SS-4 to the IRS and waiting 8 to 12 weeks for your EIN. Success rate is about 40% because most agents reject foreign founders. Path B is Bastion Formations handling all 3 steps in 3 business days for $249 with 0 rejected applications. Now for bank account setup. Most US banks require an in-person visit or a US Social Security number. Mercury and Relay accept New Mexico LLCs formed by non-US founders if you have a clean EIN and operating agreement. Here's the exact wording to use in your Mercury application. In the business description field write, digital services company operating remotely. Founder is a non-US resident. LLC formed in New Mexico for anonymity and 0 franchise tax. In the expected monthly revenue field be realistic. Write $2,000 to $5,000 if you're just starting. Mercury approves 78% of New Mexico LLC applications from non-US founders within 48 hours when the paperwork is clean. Bastion Formations includes bank introduction support. We send your documents directly to Mercury and Relay to speed up approval. Digital services company operating remotely. Founder is a non-US resident. LLC formed in New Mexico for anonymity and 0 franchise tax. Get a New Mexico registered agent on day 1. File Form SS-4 by fax for same week EIN approval. Let Bastion Formations handle it for $249. Formation plus EIN plus agent, done in 3 days. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit the Bastion Formations website for help forming your New Mexico LLC from anywhere in the world. Visit https://bastionformations.com.